Hi guys, Gaz here. Still making my way up this disused railway. Abandoned in time. I've done a few miles actually. I'm on a right mission. Look at these guys. Found some more old carriages. Just abandoned in the middle of nowhere. In the middle of this woodland. Look at these old wheels. Wow. Look at them. Guys, the size of them is massive. Big old steel wheels. Have you ever seen the film Stand By Me? I'm feeling that vibe now, but I haven't got my crew with me. Let's investigate up here, guys. This is a little bit of a part two, really, to the other video where I was actually in the coal mine, the abandoned coal mine. But I've got to investigate there. It's a Saturday morning, it's cold, but I couldn't pass this up. I had to come and check this out. Sorry about the wind. You might hear it on my camera a lot. It's picking up a bit now. As you can see, the graffiti artist has been. Where's that wind come from? Sorry if the sound quality's off, guys. Whoa. Look at that. They look like transformers for something, big old transformers. Awesome. Absolutely awesome. I don't know if I'll be able to get in this carriage, people. I'd like to. Oh, hello. There's a doorway here. No ladder. Platform up there, can you see that? Brilliant. Do you reckon, guys, shall we have a look inside the old carriage? Yeah, why not? There's still a fox hunt going on somewhere. I can still hear the horn going. It's keeping me fit if nothing else. Big old carriage. Just next to this woodland, middle of nowhere. That looks like a big old lifting piece of machinery, probably lifted the carriages on. Look at the view, people. What a view. There is old mine shafts around here. It is an old mining village. I think this connected to Huntley Wood Quarry, Accross railway. It's all connected. Guys, that floor isn't very safe, but I can't resist it. We're going to have to take a look inside here. Glass smashed everywhere. Why do vandals have to do this? Whoa, that looks ropey. Don't know if I'll be able to get along there, guys. There's holes all in the floor. The old beds. They'll be the original seat beds for long journeys, like the Orient Express. The old pull along, guys. Pull the chain. Penalty. Along. Pull the chain. Penalty for improper use. 25 scrot. Huh. I don't think the guy's alive anymore who give the fines out, I'll be honest. Oh, I've got to navigate this now. Oh. What an awesome old train carriage. It's a shame it can't be restored. I'm sure somebody would restore it. Whoa. That's a bit ropey, you know. Sorry about the fast movements with the camera, guys. I'm holding on for my life at some point here. It's not good. But the birdies love nesting in here. Whoa. This floor is really unsteady. There's another pulley. E. Everything starts with an E. So darling, darling, stand. Man, I've just nearly gone through the floor. Why do I do this to myself? Got the old train door there. Oh guys, there's a bed here almost in good nick. Just think, you go on these long journeys, you'd bed down for the night. I bet they had some fun on these trains back in the day. There isn't really much more to show though, guys. It's going to be more of the same. I just wanted to show you inside one of the carriages while I had a chance to get in one. I've got to try and make my way back out now without going through the floor. Oh, man. My hand's getting tired. Uh-oh, that didn't sound good. The little bum tightened up then, people. I'll tread on the steel. It's probably safer, yo. Saying that, the steel's seen better days. The wheels. Awesome. Oh my God, what's that there? Oh no. I think somebody's tried Andyton here, guys. That don't look good. It's not that bad, surely. What's that say? Lights. Lights for the train, on off car, tools and appliances for use in case of emergency are carried in the guards compartments of all carried. Ah, so this is the guards compartment then. Oh, I see, said the blind man. Ah, so these must have been, that was the old toilet. Tell it's the old toilet, it's got a pipe in it, obviously. And this is the guards carriage. Oh, it's windy, guys, really windy. I'll get in here because of the wind. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you around this little piece of history while I had the chance. Quite interesting. It's interesting to me anyway. I hope you're enjoying the videos, guys. Please like and subscribe if you like the videos. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. I prefer the thumbs up, to be honest, but it's up to you. I hope you're enjoying them. Don't do anything stupid, let me do it for you. I'll take you along with me on my adventures. You'll probably see me injure myself. You'll probably see me chased off and kicked off a load of sides, but hey, you only live once, don't you? So yeah, if I can get the video with a chase at some point, I'm sure that will entertain you. But for now, guys, I'm getting out of here. Take care of yourselves, guys. Guys out. Have a good one.